We've been asked to do a slow-mo explanation of how to say the SJ sound, the sound. Sorry, dog is getting down from the sofa. Can't see, but I have a big dog here. So a slow-mo explanation of SJ. I think what is happening when you say SJ is, well, one way to find it is like if you just, I'm just going to go into this blowing thing now. Okay, so yeah, thank you. So one way to find it, if you find it almost impossible to do, if you're just like, I have no idea how to do this. Okay, she's coming up again. Excuse me. Okay, which way are you going? That way. Okay. So if you just start with blowing, just like that, lips like an O position, like that. Everyone can do that, hopefully. And then if you just calm down your cheeks a bit, so instead of going like that, you just go, that's fine. And then if you keep doing this, and then if you keep doing this, and then slowly pull your tongue back inside the mouth. So put your tongue further and further back in your throat. So it's going to sound a bit like, if I start from the front. Now my tongue is right here. And I've actually tried to draw a picture of this. This looks horrible, but let me see if I can show it to you. I'm just gonna okay, so I just tried to show you where the tongue is. Can you see that? Yeah, that's a disgusting.
Looks like someone coughing up blood.
Yeah, it does. So basically, there's your tongue. So the tongue is not there, but it's back in your throat, but you're still blowing. And then what you can do is you can try and marry that sound, that slightly restricted sound, because your tongue is back in the throat, so it's restricted. Try and put that together very slowly with the vowels. So you kind of go, and you can make a long pause to start with. You can go, ah, ear, etc. You can just try and practice that with the vowels, and then eventually you can minimize the gap. So you can go ah, he, and so on. But try and find it first by blowing, pulling your tongue back. Tongue should be in the back, but it shouldn't sound like I mean, that's not what it should sound like.
Only if you're from Skåne.
Yes, or if you're from Skåne, you can do that, but otherwise, no, it's a no-no. So just, so you marry them with the vowels. So that's how you end up with who, 7, or who. It's really just about finding the muscles for it. Yeah.
It's back here.
Back here, tongue back, blowing, makes a restricted sound. Where. So if you find it difficult to say who, try and practice just the restricted sound first. Then try and practice oo, get that, and then oo, oo, who, who. Easy peasy. No, but yeah, I hope that is helpful. So think about the tongue. It needs to be back in your throat. Hold